This is Jeff Tate, Vice President of Sales with TableCraft Products, here to talk to you today about our Simple Solutions salad bar system. There's three main reasons that you use our Simple Solutions salad bar system. One, it's simple to set up. Two, it's simple to use. And three, it keeps up your product fresh, looking good, and at a very safe temperature because we're using cast aluminum vessels, which retain the temperature and conduct it across all your products inside the vessels. The first step in setting up your Simple Solutions salad bar is to take your drop-in templates and place them on the NSF7 ledges. They simply go right on top there, and again, fit right on top of your NSF7 ledges inside of your well. These are made out of stainless steel and are perforated so you get increased airflow from the sides and on the bottom. Because this is a 4-well unit, you're going to have 4 templates to place into the well. Now we're all set, and you're ready to go grab your vessels and drop them into the well. Now we're going to go over the process of setting up your Simple Solutions salad bar. First, we're going to talk a little bit about the vessels. The vessels are made out of cast aluminum. We have a proprietary process where we go ahead and put a color coating on top. The advantage of using aluminum is it conducts and retains temperature better than any other material. That way you're sure that your product is being served safely and efficiently inside the well. One thing we would recommend you do for sure is to pre-chill these vessels. It's really important that they are pre-chilled, that way they're going into the well at the proper temperature, and again, because they're aluminum, they conduct the ambient temperature very quickly. So you want to move them right from the refrigerator right into the well as quickly as you can. The one unique thing that really makes this simple to use, is why we call it Simple Solutions, is these pans are the same sizing and capacity as your traditional food pans or hotel pans. So this is a full size. We also have a half long, a half size, a third size, a 6 size, and a 9 size. Again, taking up that same footprint and having the same capacity as your traditional food pans, so it's really simple to know how much product is going to go inside of that vessel. With the full size here, we're just going to go ahead and place that inside the well, right on top of our stainless steel templates. And we're going to go ahead and add the half size. And again, as you can see, really simple, no adapter bars, really clean, really easy to place inside that well. We're going to go ahead and add our third size. And again, because there's no adapter bars, you can just push everything nice and clean into the side, and we're going to go ahead and add our 6 pans. Two more here, and last one. Again, very easy, very clean, very simple, and that's why we call it Simple Solutions. Next, we're going to talk about our new spacer bar kit. Spacer bars come into play for 2 different reasons. One is every well is a little bit different. They might be a ½ inch bigger than a traditional well, a full inch bigger, maybe it was manufactured slightly a little off. What these spacer bars allow you to do is just kind of cover up that space so you're not releasing any cold air and you still have that clean and efficient look to it. The second reason is maybe you just don't want to put all the product out there. Maybe you have a 4-well unit and you only want to put 3.5 wells worth of product out there. This would help you, again, cover up those gaps and, again, give you a clean, efficient look where you can go ahead and put a basket, put some croutons, put some ladles, something else out there that'll give you that clean look where you're not wasting the space, but you're also not putting product directly into the well. So here's a situation where we have 6 9th pans, so you have a little bit of space extra, and you just want to go ahead and cover that up. You can utilize our spacer bars to simply and easily do that. Spacer bars come in a variety of different sizes, such as 2 inch, 1 inch, ½ inch, and 1/4 inch. We'll go ahead and place these on. And one more 1 inch bar is going to cover up the rest of that gap. And now you have a nice solid space where you have no cold air exposing and coming out, and you also have a flat surface where you go ahead and put some baskets, croutons, or something else that you want to go ahead and put on that flat space. Simple Solutions is a great option for your salad bar because it's so simple. It's simple to set up, it's simple to use, and it provides your customers with a safe and attractive option for your salad bar or any cold holding environment.